Are you looking to level up your coding skills in 2025? In this video, I'll dive into the top 5 programming languages that you should consider learning. We'll explore their unique strengths, real-world applications, and why they're worth investing your time in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Kotlin. Kotlin is a modern language that runs on the JVM and is fully interoperable with Java. It's gaining popularity for Android app development and server-side development. To get started with Kotlin, check out the official documentation or enroll in online courses. Practice using Android Studio or IntelliJ IDEA. With Kotlin, you can dive into Android app development, server-side projects, and even data science. Next up at number 4 is Rust. Rust is a systems programming language known for its performance, memory safety, and concurrency. It's perfect for building high-performance applications and system software. Begin your journey with Rust by reading the official book or following online tutorials. Practice using Rust's standard library and explore crates. Rust is ideal for systems programming, embedded systems, game development, and blockchain technology. Coming in at number 3 is Java. Java is a robust and scalable language widely used in enterprise applications, Android app development, and big data processing. To learn Java, start by understanding object-oriented programming concepts. Practice with Java core libraries and frameworks like Spring and Hibernate. Java's scope includes enterprise applications, Android app development, and big data processing. At number 2 we have JavaScript. JavaScript is the backbone of web development, essential for creating interactive web pages. It's also used for server-side development with Node.js. Begin by learning HTML and CSS for front-end development. Practice JavaScript fundamentals, DOM manipulation, and asynchronous programming. Explore popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. JavaScript's scope spans web development, mobile app development with React Native, and even game development. And finally, at number 1, we have Python. Python's simplicity and versatility make it a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced programmers. It's widely used in data science, machine learning, web development, and automation. Start with online tutorials and courses on platforms like Coursera, edX, or Codecademy. Practice by building small projects like web scrapers, data analysis tools, or simple games. Python's scope includes data science, machine learning, web development with Django and Flask, automation, and scientific computing. Recap. So, to recap, the top 5 programming languages to master in 2025 are Kotlin, Rust, Java, JavaScript, and Python. Each offers unique strengths and applications, making them worth your time and effort. Ready to start learning? Check out the links in the description for resources and courses to get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video. And check out our other videos and playlists for more programming tips and tutorials.